Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll be covering how to use green screen and learn the basics and how to set it up, and you will become a part of TV show. First, get your video from your gallery. Then go to the library. Search the words green screen and then scroll up. You will see the vintage TV. Just click the vintage TV. Next, your vintage TV, we are going to put it down. So you just use overlay. Drag and place it from your first video. Now you can resize it and match it from your first video. If you are already satisfied, then we need to use remove background, followed by Chrome key. The circle one will clear all the green color and it will show you instead. Then we need to use shadow a little bit so it will look more unique and natural. When everything is alright, we need to use effect to make our video clip more colorful and lively. You can choose anything you want. The last part is the music. We need to choose the song. Music has the power to elevate a story beyond words and image. I have already my own song that I know is safe, non-copyright, and here is the outcome. Yay!